If like me, you have 8 different $20 a month AI subscriptions powering whatever your product is or your personal life, whether that's for your iOS app or your web app, I'm going to show you how you can replace up to 5 of those with one $20 a month subscription with Zo Computer. If you're doing an iOS app or a web app, you're using Stripe, you have a hosted backend, you have a hosted front end, you need UI design, you want to run OpenClaw, you want to run Hermes Agent, you want to have it all on iMessage, I'm going to show you how you can do that in less than 10 minutes. So first things first, I have the cheapest plan possible here, $18 a month. And with that, I'm going to show you like 8 different things you can do with this. That's honestly amazing. And we're going to be replacing Supabase, Vercel, Railway, Zapier, and I'm going to show you how I've like kind of automated LinkedIn because I hate LinkedIn. But that being said, we're going to be doing this on the cheapest plan possible. And the best part about this is that you could also plug in your existing Claude Code or Codex subscription directly into this. And you can do that pretty simply by just going to your settings and then going here to AI and then just logging into whatever provider that you have. So you can see here that I logged into Claude Code, I'm using Opus, and now whenever I text Zo on iMessage, like I'm going to show you in 2 seconds, it'll use my monthly subscription to power it. So we basically effectively have an OpenClaw and or Hermes type beat agent running out of iMessage for $18 a month, but that's powered by your existing monthly sub. Again, you can do that with any provider that you have. I'm using Opus right now because I don't want to take from my Fable usage because I'm kind of cooking with that. And if for some reason you don't want to use iMessage, you don't need to. You can use Telegram, Discord, Slack, email, anything you want here. They also have a native Mac app, but I'm not going to be showcasing that in this video. I just want to showcase the independent things that you can replace with it. You can see here that I was doing some stupid stuff on iMessage here. I told him to order me some toilet paper from Amazon because in the browser, like I'm going to showcase in like 2 seconds here, I linked in and I signed into my Amazon and I gave Zo Computer access to my Amazon directly. Not API, but like an actual browser, which I'm going to showcase to you. And it did that. It bought $32 worth of toilet paper. Again, $32. It bought 120 rolls. I didn't say how much. I probably should have said how much, but now if I go to Amazon or I go downstairs in my apartment, it'll be there at some point. And then I also said, yo, post something cool about local models on LinkedIn. Show me it here before you do it. And you can see here that this is the draft, blah, 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 blah. Again, you can train it and make skill files to make it better, but I'm just like talking to Zo on iMessage right now. Hey, it's Ashen from like 3 days later. The toilet paper's here. My wife is like, why the frick did you buy so much toilet paper? And I was like, bro, I forgot to cancel it, but it worked. It's here. And you can do this for anything that you hate doing. Just have him do it. Like I hate doing the Amazon stuff. I hate doing LinkedIn. I hate LinkedIn so much. So I gave him access to LinkedIn and I just like the easiest way that I can possibly, the lowest amount of effort, make him do this thing for me. I just make him do this thing. And the way that you do that is super simple. You go here to browser on Zo, then you go to LinkedIn and you just sign in for it. But instead of it being like a robotic bot type beat API, it's actually signed in directly with its own browser. And you can see that here, it's not like API access. It has its own browser logged into my LinkedIn. So whenever it posts anything, it'll like actually click and type those things into this logged in browser to do those things, which is amazing. And you can do that with literally any service you want and then manage it from iMessage. So let's say we're making like an iOS cooking app and we need this iOS app to have a backend to host user information and a front end to just talk about the iOS app. And then we also wanted to do some sort of automated research at like night for us so that we wake up with ideas on stuff that we can do for this cooking app. So you can see here, I was talking to Zo, and again, powered by my monthly subscription of Claude Code, I was like, I'm working on a cooking iOS app. Can you set up a thing so every night at 11 p.m. you scour the internet for new trending recipes, then iMessage me a gist of them. And it did exactly that very easily. Again, this is like OpenClaw or like Hermes Agent type beat stuff happening here, where now every night at 11 p.m. you'll get an iMessage from Zo giving you ideas about your thing that you wanted to do. And not just that, it's powered by your monthly sub. So you don't need to like log in, you don't need to host anything. This is its own server, so it's always going to be 24/7 and it'll always be there whenever you want to talk to it, which is so easy. It makes your life so much easier. But let's say you still want your own OpenClaw or Hermes agent that you want to power with a different subscription, a Chinese model, GLM 5.2, something like that you don't have. Since Zo Computer is a hosted server, you can do anything you want on this and it'll be accessible 24/7. So right now I'm installing Hermes agent via terminal on Zo Computer, and you can see here that you can do any sort of setup that you want. And now you have Zo Computer on iMessage and then your own instance of OpenClaw or Hermes agent running out of here for $18 a month on your own subscription. Because if you have Codex can now be plugged into Zo Computer and OpenClaw / Hermes on here. And now for replacing Supabase. So Supabase is the most widely used back-end data storage type beat thing for like iOS apps, right? Even my own iOS app, I was using Supabase until I migrated over here to a different account. But you can make your own back-end hosted on Zo Computer that is linked to whatever your product is. So by just going over to hosting using here and then prompting it that I want to make a back end for my iOS app, it created an entire database that we can now use to host user information all in one place. Again, under our original $18 a month sub. And then let's go back to hosting. Let's say that you want to host something else. Let's do new site. Let's make a new site. Let's name this Bumbleclat site. And then we'll make a folder name, and then we'll make this a marketing page, like a landing page for our cooking iOS app website, right? And let's let this cook. And while this is loading, allow me to just say that Zoe Computer did sponsor this video. I actually made a video about them 8 months ago, so I love these guys and I love what they do. And if you're doing any sort of like iOS app development or something like that, it's kind of good to have it all in one place. I hate the fact that like 2 months ago, all of my iOS stuff was in like a different place. It was very annoying. So having it all in one place is much more beneficial. Trust me on that. So while Zoe cooks my landing page for my little cooking app that I was working on, I wanted to showcase this cool part here as well. So underneath your $18 a month sub, you also get access to literally every single model, Chinese or American, as well here. But again, should you use that if you already have another monthly sub? No, but you can if you want to. Like if you wanted access to GLM 5.2 and you wanted to do like actual vibe coding inside of Zoe, you could do that too. And now after publishing it, you can see here that we now have a very real, not totally ugly, made by Opus 4.8 landing page for our iOS cooking app. And again, this is basically everything you need for an iOS app landing page. This doesn't need to be the most like crazy thing ever, but it is exactly what we wanted to do. And now if we wanted to make any edits to this as well, we could just text Zoe from iMessage and it'll do all of that too. But yeah, I hope this video helps. So in this video, we went over a lot of cool things. We went over how you can replace Vercel, whatever you're using to host your website. We went over how you can replace your backend hosting as well, like Supabase with Zoe Computer and making your own backend hosting. We went over how you can now start your own Hermes or OpenClaw agent and have it running 24/7 on an online server with Zoe. We went over how you can now iMessage every single thing that you could possibly want to iMessage, similar to an OpenClaw or Hermes agent instance as well. And the best part about this is that you can save up to like $100 a month by replacing all of those things with one $18 a month sub and then power it with your existing monthly sub that you already have. So yeah, hope this video helps. Again, Zoe Computer, I made a video about these guys 8 months ago. I actually use them every single day. And if you want, I'll leave a link below in the description. You can get $10 in free credits if you sign up with my link. I highly suggest you do something like this so that you can save yourself money and make your life easier. Thank you.